Hey everybody, Crazy Grandma here. I found another organizing thing at the Dollar Tree and I wanted to share. There's these things, these are not together yet, but I plan on putting them together. But these are just those stackable bins. So what I've put in mine is I have small pairs of scissors on the top. These are just my most used products. These are just the things I use pretty much on a daily basis. So I have some pens that I use all the time, my stylets that I use. I have my chalk pens. Over here I have the Snowmaker, and then this this is something new. I have not used it yet, but I'm excited to try it. What are they? This makes thin white lines, and I saw a lady, and I'm sorry I don't remember who it was, but she used it like on waves and different things on her pages, so I can't wait to try that. I have some colored pens that I use. These are marker pens that sometimes I use around my pictures or to highlight different things when I want. These are just the small little colored pens again. At the bottom I have my glue tips. I have these like lace, almost like washi tape little lace things. I keep forgetting about them. I only have like 3 or 4 of them. Put them there so I wouldn't lose them. My extra blades for my cutter, and some pencil refills because I do like using my pencils, which is, that's for my computer. So when I have my pencils that I want to use, I have those there. $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. They just line up and stack up nicely. I hope this helps you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye, everybody.